Hello, fellow adventurers. Today, we embark on an epic journey deep into the heart of RV travel. Buckle up and get ready for an in-depth exploration of the open road, where every twist and turn holds the promise of a new adventure, and every mile traveled unveils the magic of the RV lifestyle. The joy of RV travel. There's something magical about RV travel. It's not just a mode of transportation, it's a lifestyle. Whether you're a family seeking quality time, a couple on a romantic getaway, or a group of friends chasing adventure, the RV offers the perfect blend of comfort and flexibility. Connecting with nature. One of the greatest perks of RV travel is the ability to connect with nature. From national parks to secluded beaches, your RV can take you to places where the beauty of the outdoors is just outside your door. It's a front row seat to some of the most awe-inspiring sights Mother Nature has to offer. The RV lifestyle. Living in an RV is not just about the destinations, it's about the journey itself. Picture waking up to the sound of birds chirping, enjoying breakfast with a panoramic view, and making friends with fellow travelers at RV parks. It's a unique lifestyle that allows you to create memories on the go. The RV lifestyle is a testament to the idea that life's greatest moments often happen when you're on the move. It's about the freedom to choose your path, the flexibility to change plans at a moment's notice, and the joy of waking up each day not knowing exactly where the road will take you. Freedom to explore. With an RV, the world is your playground. You have the freedom to change your plans at a moment's notice, explore off the beaten path locations, and stay as long as you want. It's about embracing spontaneity and discovering hidden gems that might be missed when traveling by other means. The open road is your canvas, and the RV is your brush. Whether it's a quaint roadside diner, a charming small town, or a breathtaking viewpoint, every stop is an opportunity to uncover the richness of the journey. The freedom to explore is a gift, and RV travel is the key to unlocking it. Challenges and rewards of RV life. While the RV lifestyle is undoubtedly rewarding, it's not without its challenges. From navigating unfamiliar roads to managing limited resources, every RV traveler faces a unique set of obstacles. However, it's these challenges that make the journey all the more fulfilling. Overcoming challenges on the road fosters a sense of resilience and resourcefulness. It's about learning to adapt to new situations, finding creative solutions, and building a sense of camaraderie with your fellow travelers. In the end, the challenges become part of the adventure, creating stories that will be shared for years to come. Community and connection. One of the most beautiful aspects of RV travel is the sense of community that forms among like-minded individuals. RV parks become temporary neighborhoods, and fellow travelers become friends. It's a unique experience where strangers become confidants, and everyone shares a common bond: the love for the open road. It's a network of support and friendship that transcends geographical boundaries. As our RV adventure comes to an end, we're reminded that it's not just about the miles traveled, but the moments shared. Whether it's watching a sunset, sharing stories around a campfire, or simply enjoying the open road, the RV experience is truly about the journey and the people you meet along the way. So until next time, keep exploring, keep wandering, and remember, the road is calling. Signing off from the road. Happy travels, fellow adventure.